Hello and welcome to another new vlog. So, this vlog is all going to be about jetpacks. Yes, you heard me right. The one thing comes across our mind when we hear the word jetpack is Robert Downey Jr.'s Iron Man movie. Exactly. It was so futuristic and so ahead of its time, but in reality, those jetpacks have been created by a company which is UK based and it's known as Gravity Industries. So the CEO of this company is Mr. Richard Browning, and he has perfected this jetpack so well that it has been tested by Royal British Navy for its own combat purposes and the rescue purposes and various kind of missions, and they are planning to commission it in the navy use. And these jetpacks are really marvelous. So let me give you an insight of this jetpack. What does this look like, how much it weighs, everything. So this jetpack is, first of all, it is less than 30 kilos in weight, so you can wear it on your back and you can strap it up. So it has in all 5 turbines, two on the left hand side or left hand, two on the right hand, one at the on the back. So these two on the left hand and right hand, they provide a total thrust of around 22 kilograms, and the one on the back, it gives you a thrust of around 50 kilograms. So it is really impressive, and it has a fuel carrying capacity of around 18 liters, which translates to around 5 gallons in US. And the power output of this uh, jetpack is really impressive. I'm blown away when I got to hear the power output of this jetpack. It's 1050 horsepower, which is more than a Bugatti Veyron. So Bugatti Veyron was the fastest car in the world from 2005 to 2011, and it had a power output of about 987 horsepower. Exactly. It's too epic to miss out these numbers. So it has a top speed of around 136 kilometers per hour, and the flight timing is not more than 15 minutes. Yes, exactly. The good things come to end very soon. Yeah. So it has 5 turbines. It has a RPM of about 120,000 revolutions per minute. And the most important question comes here is, what is its price? Is it available for civilians like us? So yes, it is available for civilians like us if you have very deep pockets. Exactly. It costs around $440,000 for one single jetpack apparatus, and $440,000 are, if they are converted into Indian rupees, that goes to around 3.2 crore rupees. Exactly. So if Royal British Navy is commissioning these jetpacks, imagine the amount of resources which are used right now by choppers or their helicopters, that will be so less. Like, if there is a combat situation and if you want to shoot a target, send these people on jetpacks, they will shoot, they will clear the way. And if there is a rescue mission to be conducted, send these peoples, instead of sending a whole new helicopter and putting down a man where he is constantly rotating because of that turbulence and the lift of the helicopter for and that immense force. So it becomes more easy in these situations where these situations have to be handled very carefully. So that's how impressive and something way ahead of its time this jetpack is. So I hope so this vlog was interesting for you, and I hope so. I have impressed you by telling you some quick quirks and facts and features of this, some innovative jetpacks, and I hope to see you next time in the next vlog. Well, see you later. Ciao.